Well, just you can see, that was the Premier Robin R.3000 had just seen, came over this afternoon anyway. As I've just managed to see that one on time anyway. So as you can tell, this was the Premier Robin R.3000 had just seen, came over this afternoon anyway. This is the Premier Robin R.3000 had just seen, came over this afternoon anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, that was the Premier Robin had just seen come over anyway. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-BZOL, that is. This is the G-BZOL registration as we've just seen anyway. So yeah, this is the G-BZOL registration as we've just seen, came over anyway. So yeah, anyway, as you can see, just from here, he's flown here to around 21,000 feet anyway. So technically he's just flown here to around 21 to 22,000 feet anyway. And just you can see from here, that just took off from his base down at Newquay Airport just after 2:05 anyway, just around 2:05 anyway. So yeah, so that just took off just after 2:05 anyway, so around 2:05 PM anyway. As you can see where he was to start with, he was pretty much over over North Cornwall to start with. As you can see, he started over in Newquay to start with, as he just done a loop just over Newquay. By the looks of it, it's just done a loop just over Newquay. And then just from here, he then passed over towards the northwest of Hale. And then he just decided to come round anyway. And then he's just decided to come round anyway. So yeah, he's now decided to come into South Cornwall anyway. As you can see, he's flown past just over Penryn River anyway, just flown over Penryn River and into Flushing, where I just saw it passing over the distance. He was passing over Flushing, he was. So yeah. But anyway, so yeah, hopefully he should be heading back to his base at Newquay Airport very soon anyway. So hopefully very soon he will be heading back to his base at Newquay Airport very soon. So yeah. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.